Hi, I'm Leo Vogel, and this is my poem, The Silence of Ice. We sit at the kitchen table for dinner, my father at the head, the rest of us seated at our determined places, the 5 o'clock ritual, talking in silence. The black ice lake offers a different silence. I skate alone. Blades slice the ice surface. Space and time embrace a freedom as fast as the clouds and I can fly. I stop where a leaf, shriveled and veined, lies frozen, silent, and clear. Once green and vivid with summer, like a secret, freezes a life to ice. I tell my parents, my father is silent, the 3 of us seated at the kitchen table, until the gasp from long trapped air under frigid layers, and now appearing purple with rage, fractures the familiar surface. Don't talk about gay in this house. Ice is black when it freezes so fast in time and space. There are no air bubbles to trap. To suspend in silence, we sit at the table, frozen for 2 more decades.